Hey y'all, so today we're going to be installing some clip-ins, and this is me just showing y'all the hair that I'm using. I don't know the exact link because my client brought it for me, but if she can send me the link, I'll drop it down in the comments. But I think it's 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. It was long, really pretty and soft. And then I'm just going to be showing y'all the actual clip-ins later on in the video. But right now I'm just prepping my client. And then I'm going to start by first flattering her hair. Y'all, she's not natural. She has relaxed hair. So it's not going to take much for me to do because her hair is already naturally straight. But first, it's already washed and blow dried. So now I'm just going to be sectioning it off. And I'm going to do a couple passes just to kind of get it straight. And I forgot to show y'all in the beginning, but I'm using my Camera blow dry spray. And she forgot to put she washed her own hair. She forgot to put heat protectant spray in her hair. So I was just spraying the heat protectant in sections. Now I'm just parting off the front of the hair because we're not going to be working with it first. We're going to be working with the back. So I'm just sectioning off I'm sectioning like parting it behind the ear and I'm putting it up. And now y'all just see me starting to section off. Sorry, y'all can't talk. Section off the back of the hair. And I kind of do it in a U shape. As y'all going to see me do it. And my sections are around like an inch and a half. And here are the clip-ins, y'all. This is the longest piece. They got different sections. But this is my volume spray. And what we're going to be doing is spraying it on the roots. And y'all, this is the trick to keep y'all clip-ins in long. Spray some volume spray. And then let it dry a little bit. At first, I wasn't letting it dry. But let it dry a little bit and then tease it up. And then go back in with the volume spray. Now what I'm doing right here is first I'm measuring the clip-ins to see if it's long enough or short enough, but it was the perfect size so I don't have to cut anything. But first I'm just pushing in the first comb. And y'all, these are so hard to do. Like I feel like I was really pressing in her head. Like I feel like I was hurting her, but she said it was okay. But when putting in the clip-ins, make sure I did the middle piece first and then I pushed the other sides, like so it won't be no gaps in between. And here is how they look. So when you try to put them in, stretch it to each corner so it won't have any gaps. Now this is me just dropping down my second section. And y'all, these go really quick. They're so easy to install. You can literally do it yourself. But I'm just going back in with my volume spray again. And then you already know what I'm going to do. Tease and then spray again. So I'm not going to be talking too much. I'm going to just kind of let y'all watch. And if there's anything else I need to say, then I say it. But enjoy, y'all. Okay, so I've already installed like 2 to 3 clip-ins in the back. After, well, now we're kind of like midway into the head. So now that's where I'm starting to drop off my sides so it can start to blend in all around. And I'm doing the same thing, still dropping down like an inch and a half, and then, still teasing it around and spraying it. Now, since I dropped down the size, instead of using 1 clip in, we're going to actually use 2 for not the whole head, but just right here. And what I'm doing is I'm starting off on this edge with the sides, and I use the clip-ins that has 3 clips just so it can cover the whole, well, just so it can cover from edge to edge. And y'all see me just clipping in all 3 of the clips, and then after that I'm going to go on the other side and still start on the side and make my way to the middle. Also, when you put it in the first clip on the side, make sure don't go straight to the side, like push it back a little bit just so it can leave some hair out to cover the clip in. And here I'm just seeing like how much more like clip-ins that I can add in. I'm going to section off another section, and just so I can see, like, kind of measure it out so it can all be seamless, because her hair is kind of thick. So I was trying to see how many clips that I can add in, because she only got 2 packs, and so I just had to make all of it work, which in the end y'all gonna see. And right here, I can't remember, but I think I'm using a bundle with two clip-ins instead of 3. Or maybe it is 3. It's 2 or 3. But I just know, like, the more you go up on a head, like, the less bundle with clips on there you will use, if that makes sense. Like, when I put another piece in, I'm probably going to put one that's smaller. They got, like, 1 or 2 clips. So after I have this last section, I'm going to be going in with my last and final section for the back. And I think I did in total maybe around 5 bundles in the back, 4 or 5, which is not that much, but it still looks very full. After getting the back seamless and full, now it's time to work the front and add a couple pieces to the side and to the bang part. And I don't add that many pieces to the side because it doesn't need it. I added like maybe 2 pieces, and y'all can see these are the smallest pieces that they have in the bag, which only have 1 clip on there. And so I'm going to mainly add these with the 1 clip to the front. And like I said before, make sure that you leave a little hair in the front so you can't see the clip or see the bundle, so it can seem seamless and flawless. Now time for the bang area, as y'all can see. So we got everything else done. This is the last section that we have to do. And when I do the bang part, I'm actually curving it. As y'all can see, I'm not doing like a straight line. I'm curving it just so I can kind of get the bang to be curved over her eye a little bit, but not too much. And y'all can kind of see like I'm dropping down a good bit, honestly. And when doing a front, make sure like if you're actually doing it on somebody else, hold the hair under, well, on your hand and then spray so it won't get in their eye. Right here, I think I added another bundle that has 3 clips in there. It looked like it's got 3. And I do this just so like the sides can be super full, and I just won't be adding it specifically to the bang. Like I added this clip and I kind of brought it over into the back of the head a little bit, just so like going all around on the sides, it's gonna be full and even. Now I'm about to drop everything down, make sure everything's flowing, and my camera's gonna die, y'all, but I'm gonna just tell y'all I ended up adding 2 more pieces that had maybe 2 clips, and then for the last and final one I added 1 clip at the top, and it was pretty full still, the bang was. But right now I'm using my cheek curling iron, and I'm just gonna add some loose curls to her hair just to finish off the look. And if y'all would like a more in-depth video on how I do my curls, I can do that as well. Now here, this is just me combing out the curls because I wanted them to be like loose curls, which they turned out really pretty. The only thing I wish I would have sprayed it with some holding spray just so the curls could last a little bit, but they were still really pretty. And this is the final look. I couldn't get much clips because my camera kept dying, y'all. But this had turned out real cute, real flawless. It was giving sew-in, very much traditional sew-in, real pretty. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all feel about this look. And yeah, bye y'all.